All right, we are halfway through the first Phorm Transphormation challenge, and I am finally starting to see the changes that I was hoping for. Every time I do something like this, or go for a new diet or anything like that, for some reason it seems like it always takes so long for it to kind of kick into gear, but we're finally there halfway through. I was pleasantly surprised to see the changes between my day 1 and day 29. I have seriously been busting my ass on this challenge so far, and I've been supplementing every day, which is what I needed to do apparently. So the weight is down. My muscles are growing as it appears in the pictures, which I'm really pumped about. Clothes are fitting much better, and I've been able to do all of that while getting back to Illinois and starting not only one job serving and bartending at a restaurant, but also starting to substitute teach. So I've had a lot on my plate, and I've been able to maintain and not cheat and make my way through this challenge so far, despite all the stress. So that being said, no cheats so far, which has been doing me really good. I have seriously been kicking my ass in the gym. I am weightlifting 4 times a week and then doing some kind of cardio, usually HIIT cardio. On the days in between, I'll usually take a day of rest, just kind of off completely, just to kind of chill and relax from the week too. But typical day, I am getting up and on my cardio days doing some sort of cardio in the morning before I go to work. I usually drive an hour to work, serve all day, drive an hour home, or I should say to the gym rather, go, and my first mesocycle is kind of on the tail end this week, so the volume has been stupid high, and it's been taking me forever in there, about an hour and a half. In the gym every night, I get home, I meal prep and get everything ready for the next day, and that's kind of what my jam has been for the last couple of weeks. I am super looking forward to continuing to see progress in my body, hopefully growing more muscle, and finish out strong.